All right, quarantine chorus. Today I've got my guest. What is your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. And today we're going to be singing about rain. Because we got rain overnight. And I've got facial hair. I look like an Amish dude with mange. So I apologize for that. But we're going to go ahead and sing this little song for you. If I can get my guitar out. Ryan and I have been practicing it. And I think we're ready. You think we're ready?
Yeah.
You're going to help sing? All right. I want to hear you sing loudly, okay? Will you do that for me? All right, bust rocks. All right, let's do this. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, and I know been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know, and it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah! Nailed it. Boom, bust rocks. Say later, dudes.